Creating an HTML sitemap on Blogger is a great way to improve our website's navigation and user experience. In this video, I will show you how to do it. Hello friends, this is Om Prakash. Welcome you all to Digital Marketing Tips YouTube channel. Before creating HTML sitemap in Blogger, let me tell you what is an HTML sitemap. An HTML sitemap is a page on your website that outlines the full structure of your site. It includes links to all your pages and posts, making it easier for users to navigate. Let us see an example. And this is the example of HTML sitemap. If you click on any, these are the skill sets by this website. Simply run. If you click on any of this, you will go further topics, or this is a HTML sitemap example. And let us see what is the XML sitemap. And this is the example of XML sitemap. The difference between XML and HTML sitemap is that XML sitemap is created for search engines, whereas HTML sitemap is created for users, that is human beings. To create HTML sitemap in Blogger, go to Blogger dashboard and click on pages, and here click on new page, and here select HTML view and give the title as sitemap. And delete this code, and then copy this code. I will provide the link for this code on under description section. You can take. After copying the code, and here actual number is 100. You can replace this number to your number of posts in your blog, and then click on publish, and then click on confirm. And now check the sitemap. You can click here view. As you can see, page HTML sitemap is created. If you want to just click on this, you will go to your blog post. Now you have to add your sitemap page to footer and header section. To do this, go to your layout section in Blogger and go to your main menu, and here add a new item and name it as sitemap, and copy your sitemap URL and paste here, and click on save and then save. And here go to footer menu and add here new item and name it as sitemap, and paste the URL, sitemap URL, sitemap page URL, and then click on save and save, and here click on save. As you can see here at the header section there is no sitemap page, and also at the footer section. Just refresh the page. As you can see here, the header section sitemap page is in here. At the footer section, sitemap page is created. If you click on this, you will get the posts of your links of your posts. In this way, you can create HTML sitemap to your Blogger website, and it will improve your website navigation and make it easier for visitors to find what they are looking for. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Take care. Bye.